Hi everyone, welcome back to the quiz. If you're seeing this error message saying please enable secure boot to continue or enable secure boot when launching FACEIT, keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Basically, we just need to enable the secure boot from the BIOS. So let's get started. First, go to Settings, then select Windows Update. Click Advanced Options, scroll down and select Recovery. And next to Advanced Startup, click on the Restart Now button. Then confirm by clicking Restart Now again. Your computer will restart into a blue screen. Click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then select UEFI Firmware Settings, and click Restart to boot into the BIOS. Now here, your boot menu might look slightly different than mine, which is for an MSI laptop, but the options will be very similar no matter what brand you have. And once you're inside the BIOS, let's go to the Security tab and locate Secure Boot and set the Secure Boot support to enabled. Let's save and exit the BIOS. Now, if you're not sure where to find it, just search Enable Secure Boot followed by your laptop model on Google and you'll find exact steps for your device. Once your PC restarts, try launching FACEIT again and let me know in the comments if this has fixed your issue. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.